Hey guys, Steve and Whitney here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. For those of you that have not had a chance to meet Whitney, Whitney's relatively new still to the shooting industry.
Yep.
And today you wanted to kind of get a feel for the difference between a 9, a 40, and a 45.
Yes.
You currently carry a 9 on a regular basis.
Yes.
The one you chose in the 45 was the
FNX.
45. In the 40 cal, you've got the
Block 22.
Block 22, and then of course in the 9mm we have the FNS. So it's a very non-scientific experiment. She just kind of wanted to get a feel to see what the differences are. So we're gonna run in, throw 5 shots downrange through each one and see how that works out. All right guys, so we're gonna start off with the FNX 45 that you picked out. So let's put 5 rounds downrange, see how it goes. Okay, Whitney, you've now shot the 9, the 40, the 45.
Yep.
What are your general, again, very non-scientific because the reality is we're not shooting the same size gun in each frame. So generally speaking, what are your thoughts?
The Glock 40-22, I was not a fan of that at all. It had good recoil. I just wasn't a very good fan of it. The FNs both did a very good job. I of course like the 9mm easier because it fit in my hand, didn't have much recoil. It was just all around a great gun. 45, it was also really good, just too big for my hands. So. To
the point of the FN on the 45, honest to goodness, I think they probably make one of the best 45s on the market. It's such a low recoiling 45, so you kind of got spoiled with that one. I know you shot a 45 the other day that was in a 1911 frame that you said it was significantly more.
Yes, a lot more. It was hard to hold on to. It was a Kimber.
Yeah, so for those of you that are wanting to move to the 45 but don't want a lot of recoil, there's a couple of them out there that actually handle the recoil very well. The FNX 45 is one of them. Another one is the USP series by HK, also is a very low recoiling, very big and bulky grip. So guys, I hope this very non-scientific shooting experiment is of some help to some of you out there, but I know main thing was Whitney wanted to get out and try it. We thought we'd go ahead and make a video of it. Don't hesitate to ask any questions and comment below. Take care.
See ya.